Welcome to a quick and practical guide on how to make Facebook videos start without sound. If you've ever watched a video with sound blasting unexpectedly, this easy tweak is a game changer for your scrolling experience. First, grab your phone and open the Facebook app. From there, you'll see the feed loaded with videos ready to autoplay as you scroll. To customize this, you'll need to access the settings that control sound behavior across the app. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the menu where you can access a variety of Facebook options. Scroll down to locate settings and privacy, then select settings. It's the place where you can tailor your experience to suit your preferences. Inside settings, look for the preferences section. This area houses choices related to how Facebook handles media and playback. Tap on media to dive into the specific options that affect sound and autoplay behavior. In the media settings, you'll find an option labeled Sounds. This is the switch that determines whether videos start with sound or remain muted. Toggle off Sounds to ensure that any video you encounter on Facebook begins muted. This simple switch changes how you experience every video, giving you full control over what plays aloud. With sounds turned off, videos will now start silent, letting you skim through content without the disruption of unexpected audio. If you ever want to hear something specific, you can simply tap the video to unmute it for that moment, and then the default muted state will stay in place for the next video. A quick tip: if you're using other apps or switching devices, it's worth revisiting these settings on each device to maintain a consistent, quiet browsing experience. Facebook occasionally updates its interface, but the path to these options remains straightforward. Settings and privacy, settings, preferences, media, sounds. That's all there is to it. A small adjustment that makes a big difference in how you consume video content on Facebook: quiet, controlled, and clutter-free.